2020 GMC Sierra 5.3 liter V8. Really nice truck. And well, we got something special on this one for you guys and girls. Got factory converters, and they don't come in the 2020s. They don't come with the third converter. So guess what? We can true dual it all the way back and back and back and back, and then we can go forward again, all the way forward, just like that. So as you guys can see, it's true dualed into 3.5 inch by 18 or by 12s, sorry, tips right there, angle cut. So it came out really beautiful. If you guys say otherwise, please leave it in the comments. Let us know what you guys think of the sound in the comments. Appreciate it. Hope you guys like it, and hit that subscribe button. Sound decibels. That sounds sick. We cut all that stuff off all the time. Sierra. What you guys hear on the inside?
Definitely a lot quieter. They upgraded the sound insulation inside the cabs for 2020.